Want to protect your credit from fraud? Here's how to place a credit freeze on Credit Karma quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through placing a credit freeze on Credit Karma to help protect your credit report from unauthorized access. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account via the app or website. Step 2. Go to the Credit Report section. Step 3. Look for the option to freeze your credit and click on it. Step 4. Follow the prompts to verify your identity by answering security questions. Step 5. Confirm the freeze request. Your credit report will now be locked and inaccessible to new creditors. Step 6. Keep any provided PIN or confirmation details safe. You'll need them to lift the freeze later. Quick tip. You can lift the freeze temporarily if you need to apply for new credit. Like this guide, comment your questions, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more practical money tips. Thanks for watching.